Just drop this into the toilet once, and you'll forget you ever had a problem. An old housekeeper shared this trick with me, and it's a simple, budget-friendly way to make a powerful cleaner for your bathroom. Take a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee not only neutralizes unpleasant odors, but also works as a mild abrasive. It contains essential oils that bring freshness and help fight bacteria. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a versatile ingredient with cleaning, degreasing, and whitening properties. It breaks down limescale, removes hard water stains, and neutralizes acids. Now pour in some vinegar. White vinegar works best. It's a natural disinfectant that kills bacteria, mold, and viruses. When vinegar hits the mixture, it will fizz up, helping loosen dirt and grime. Stir everything together and pour it into the toilet. Let it sit for a few minutes so the active ingredients can work. Then scrub as usual. The result? Clean, fresh, and disinfected. No harsh chemicals needed. This homemade cleaner is a great alternative to store-bought products. Use baking powder in the shower. The properties of baking powder aren't just for baking cakes. I'll show you how it can help you achieve amazing results, and it's not in the kitchen. It will help you get rid of stubborn dirt and save you a lot of money. Take a glass container and pour in some baking powder. Thanks to its chemical properties, baking powder can be an effective cleaning agent. Next, add dishwashing liquid. Then pour in the same amount of dishwasher rinse aid. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Once they are perfectly combined, take this mixture to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Apply the mixture to silver elements. It will remove all water stains and soap scum. Thanks to the baking soda in the baking powder, it dissolves greasy and soapy residues that accumulate on shower surfaces and tiles. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results immediately. Clean your sink without using chemicals. You only need ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Sinks often accumulate stubborn residue and limescale, but this simple homemade method will make yours look brand new. The first ingredient is vinegar. It effectively dissolves limescale, grease, and bacteria. Pour it all over the sink to target every dirty spot. Next, take baking soda and sprinkle it generously over the surface. When combined with vinegar, it creates a chemical reaction that lifts dirt, neutralizes odors, and refreshes the sink. Let this mixture sit for about 15 minutes. Then rinse everything thoroughly with water, removing any foam and remaining residue. Your sink will shine, free from buildup and unpleasant smells. And the best part? No need for expensive store-bought cleaners. Vinegar and baking soda are a powerful duo that you should always have on hand. Light a match and drop it in the toilet. Try this simple trick and you'll see why it's worth using daily. Why? Unpleasant odors in the bathroom are a common problem, and air fresheners don't always do the job. Instead of using expensive chemical sprays, try something incredibly simple, yet highly effective. Lighting a match in the bathroom is one of the best and cheapest ways to eliminate bad smells. Odors often linger in the air long after using the toilet, but a match can be your best ally. All you need is a box of matches. Light one and drop it into the toilet. However, let it burn almost completely before tossing it in to avoid clogging the drain. The sulfur gas released during combustion effectively neutralizes unpleasant odors in the air. The effect is almost immediate. For an even longer-lasting result, you can also light a candle in the bathroom. It will further help eliminate bad smells. Put a plastic bag on the toilet seat. Need to use a public restroom but feel disgusted? A simple plastic bag is the solution. This trick has saved me many times in emergencies. I always carry a regular disposable supermarket bag in my purse, but I prepare it in advance. I lay it flat on a cutting board and draw a vertical and horizontal line with a marker. Then, using a sharp utility knife, I cut along the lines, making sure both layers are sliced. I roll up the bag and keep it in my purse for when I need it. If I have to use a public toilet in poor condition, I simply place the bag over the seat. The pre-cut sections drop into the bowl, creating an opening. The plastic acts as a barrier, preventing contact with germs and dirt. For extra convenience, you can also cut the bag directly on the toilet seat by stretching it over the surface and slicing an opening with a knife. After use, just remove the bag and toss it in the trash. This trick is especially useful for parents with young children or people with back problems who need to sit while using the toilet. Plumbers don't want you to know this trick. These balls will transform your toilet forever. First, you'll need a bar of soap. You can even use leftover pieces. Grate the soap until you get fine shavings. Soap effectively removes grease and dirt, while its antibacterial properties help maintain toilet hygiene. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl with the soap. Then, squeeze in some toothpaste. Toothpaste not only freshens and adds a pleasant scent, but also contains whitening agents. Put on protective gloves and mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Now, divide the mixture into small portions and roll them into balls. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and wrap each ball individually. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in each one. Drop a prepared ball into your toilet tank and leave it there. Every time you flush, the active ingredients will work on stains, bacteria, and limescale. Each ball acts like a mini cleaning tablet, dissolving slowly and keeping your toilet fresh for longer. Pour this down the drain, and it will unclog your sink and eliminate bad odors in seconds. This proven method works better than many chemical cleaners available in stores. Grab a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap of any scent or color. Add 3 tablespoons of table salt. Then pour in vinegar and mix thoroughly. This combination effectively dissolves grease and buildup. In a separate bowl, dissolve 2 tablespoons of baking soda in warm water. Now comes the most important step. Pour the contents of the glass down the drain. The salt will scrub the pipes. Then pour in the baking soda solution. The mixture will start foaming intensely. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water to flush the drain completely. Finally, clean the sink to remove any residue. This simple, inexpensive, and eco-friendly method effectively clears pipes and restores freshness. Using it regularly will help prevent major clogs and keep your drain working perfectly. Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar.